Drift corner.
Here in a quattro car.
Not going to happen. Nope, not even in the M5.
Aiming at me.
M3 doesn't like that. That was a nice thing on this one. So, you guys like the new M3?
Like the
I think you guys have
2020.
had that big of a chance to drive it, but...
Neil, are you using a US spec?
What?
Are you using a US spec for cluster?
For the cluster? Unfortunately, yes I am. Just, they didn't really like me turning it into the Europe one. I did do that on the blue one, yeah. But this one, they won't make it. Yeah. But like, I have to bomb these in the middle.
I should have taken Julia. I regret my choice.
Yeah, your mom said so.
Like, why do you say that I have to take this, man? You said there's indie cares. There isn't.
Well, it was originally
Alright, I'm never trusting you guys. I'm not.
Hell,
never
it didn't do anything.
I'm reliable, man.
Yeah, Gusto is, I'm not.
Oh shit.
Overtaking in the corner.
I didn't see the corner coming.
Oh!
just hit each other.
Yeah, I thought it was free to overtake, but I didn't see the corner coming. My bad.
It's alright, I'll just try and give you a flash on light because it looks better on video.
So who's recording? The M4 GS, right?
G63.
Right, it's free. It's recording.
Oh yeah. We changed cards. Oh, police, slow down, police. Safety gun minutes.
Good for it. Oh, watch out.
Oh, I'm taking a detour. Here we go.
Slow down, guys. Slow down.
Yes.
We're good to go.
Oh, these brakes are shit.
You're driving and all this shit.
Exactly.
my God, I got it.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on, get in the lane. Get in there.
Wait, hang on. Can you guys see my car from up here?
Yep.
And still?
Yep.
Let me know when you can't hear it.
No. I've
Can't
got
hear it now.
I've got a loud sound on the C63.
Oh. No, you guys keep going. Come on.
Yeah, should have warned us.
No, I pulled over, so you guys can keep going. That's why.
bless you.
That's not a
Alright.
situation you can say bless you. Fair enough, Alex.
11:20.
That's a good one. Sorry, Alex, but that was a good one.
I don't find it as a joke, I find it offensive.
Since when?
When did you get offended so easily?
Please don't hit me.
I was so close to Alex. Alex, I don't even have to hit you. You're going off road just fine yourself. Okay, I'm gonna hold that for you.
Five's just being like an asshole. But I like it.
Sorry guys, but this thing is so fun to drive.
Oh, Team did not hit me. Thank you for understanding.
Yeah, something else than me. So I'm trying to do this thing with my colleagues too. They always send like they drive with their knee. It's very hard in the simulator then.
We're going left or straight?
Oh,
Let's go straight for once, guys.
Alright.
And you can get you can do really high speed here.
Just floor it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go try.
wow, you guys are gone.
Yeah. You can talk. Yeah, you're English.
20 to 30.
I'm very slow.
Ah, shit! Brake!
Brake hard. Yeah, you sucker. Yeah.
Don't be clutching, don't be clutching.
Oh, the Korean is coming. Oh shit.
Come on, Edward, you can do better than that. Ah, what?
This thing just oversteers on braking, like
Nice.
crazy.
Luck you.
This user frames
Yeah. Alex, can you hit the M3? Okay, well there you go.
Yeah.
His lung to your thing
Thing was
Whoa, Alex,
Finger is
that's not-
going crazy.
Why is that?
drift going up.
Here in a quattro car.
Not going to happen. Nope, not even in the M5.
Aim at me.
M3 doesn't like that. That was a nice thing on this thing.
I'll call you Kim. This car.
That was
that's
really overtake though.
Joseph.
Oh shit.
Ooh, oh no! Oh
We're
no!
just gonna
It's
kill
doubling.
I cannot clutch kick.
You good now?
Yeah. Thank God I am. That was so close.
Overtaking on the left.
On your right. On your left. Ring ring.
Hey, but Alex, to be honest, my overtaking was clean.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
But
Yeah,
the hitting nail part was not clean. I do know it wasn't you who hit me, but yeah.
We just don't talk about that, okay? Oh, you stop overtaking.
The RS6.
Yeah.
If you think
I'm
you're
just
lame,
driving
yeah.
slower so you guys can catch up. Doing 40 miles an hour.
So you're gonna hate me after hearing this? I might have sound swapped the C63 with the M4 sound.
That's terrible.
Now, what's your
I might
problem?
have done that. Yeah.
Oh,
So what are we going to do at this intersection? Like, I think...
Holy shit! Okay, let me lead. I'm gonna take you guys to a beautiful place.
Alright, go then.
Go here, go right, make right, go right, go right, go right, go right.
Just on time, bro.
The fuck up.
Oh, I'm sorry. I need help.
I'm sorry, Discord has 1 second delay, my bad.
Gustav, I got stand back. I got stand back.
Okay guys, everyone do a hot break here. Alex, why did you leave, you idiot?
I
break,
got stand
break.
back, alright? It's not my fault.
Oh, taking a little too wide.
Tell us if you want to overtake.
Overtaking on the left of the GT. Not going to happen.
He's like,
No,
nah,
not
fuck
today.
you.
Max Camber.
Here, Alex.
F90 can pass.
I think it's team.
He just won lap me. But he's faster almost. Ooh, there he goes. Taking
And
the
Nell
inside,
is like
taking the inside.
ahead of it.
Where are you guys? I can't even see you in my mirror.
Nell, shut up.
Struggling with the GT. Yeah, there we go.
Oh
Bless
god.
you.
Bless you. Taking it a little too wide. There we go.
Sorry, Alex. This is funny.
No, 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 no.
I
Sorry,
keep overtaking you guys like 3 times.
Well, the F80 does have carbon on it. So it's kind
Guys, park up here. We have beautiful view, boys. We park here.
What's the G63 doing, man?
He's different off.
of
Guys, park here. Park.
I'm here.
Hello.
Hello. You're here.
Hello.
You're also here.
Okay, wait, never mind. This looks ugly. Let's go. Keep going.
Yeah, it's just
Alright, my bad.
if you zoom in,
Go.
it's just
And there goes this one.
Just pushing too hard.
You're good
Now,
now.
at least in this section.
Guys,
Sorry guys,
I think
I hit a
you're
Mercedes, that's
now.
why.
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh hell yeah,
Guys, just don't let him pass, okay?
Oh
Whatever
fuck
happens,
you.
don't let him pass.
I will fucking hit you off the road if you stay in my way. Fuck! I hit the railing, god damn it.
I'm tired.
I have no tires though. It's yeah, the tire money, the TPMS turns into fucking
RS6,
Sorry?
do you wanna pass?
Oh,
There we are. We are here. So, do we go like to the top? Yep.
Yeah, just go.
I think it's this way. Never been here before, so.
Me neither.
You guys never been up here before.
No? I never even
I
driven
mean, I went
here.
up here yesterday. I mean, no, earlier today I went up here.
I never had this map now, remember?
Oh, okay. Guys, you went the wrong way, come here.
Yeah, too
I
late,
mean,
bro.
you can go all the way over there, but that's not the highest point, that's just in the end.
So, left,
Another
right?
nice view over here.
Go left and take a U-turn.
Why you guys stop like that?
There's a
Ouch.
stop sign.
The
Oh.
sign says stop.
Stop sign now, you know?
I thought that was just like suggestions to what you could do.
Oh shit.
Welcome guys to the most beautiful part of LA Canyons.
Wow, I've never been here before, so